Hey everyone! I'm so excited to show you some of IKEA's newest products. Trust me, these are game changers for your home. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's get started. Can we take a moment to admire how beautiful this mirror is? The Stockholm Mirror is a design masterpiece that instantly upgrades any space. The oak veneer frame is so smooth and warm, it gives the mirror a unique, high-end vibe that feels both modern and timeless. But wait, there's more. The bottom of the mirror doubles as a shelf, perfect for keeping essentials like your phone, keys, or makeup within easy reach. You need to see this lampshade in action. It's just magical. The BÄCKNATE has a flower-like design that's light, airy, and oh so charming. Its paper-like texture creates a soft, romantic vibe. But here's the kicker. It's actually made from a durable, recyclable synthetic material. How cool is that? When you turn it on, the light brings out every fiber in the design, creating a stunning, cozy glow that fills the room. Pair it with your favorite cord set, and you've got yourself a showstopper centerpiece that's equal parts chic and sustainable. Okay, let's talk about small spaces. The ÄLGANÄS shoe rack is a total game changer for narrow hallways and tight corners. It's sleek, it's compact, and it holds up to 12 pairs of shoes. Yes, 12 pairs. The smart design allows you to tilt the shelves diagonally for bulkier shoes or keep them flat if you prefer. Either way, your entryway or closet will look so organized and stylish. This little table lamp is an absolute game changer. It's small, yes, but don't let its size fool you. This lamp brings such a cozy, soft glow to your space that it's impossible not to fall in love with it. It spreads light both upwards and downwards, perfect for creating a mood that's just right for any occasion. And let's talk about the convenience factor. It has a super simple on-off button on the side, so you don't have to fumble around. But wait, there's more. Want to adjust the brightness? Easy. Just turn the metal shade, and voila, you can dim the light to whatever level suits the moment. No need for a dimmable bulb, just twist and you're good to go. This vase is simply a work of art. The MÄVINN Vase brings a touch of natural beauty to your space with its earthy tones and minimalist design. Handmade by skilled artisans in Thailand, each vase is unique, with a charm that feels personal and special. Whether you fill it with fresh flowers or display it on its own, it's the perfect way to add warmth and elegance to your home. And the best part? It's part of a social initiative. How can a simple bowl be this stunning? The MÄVINN Bowl is handmade with care, and its earthy, understated elegance makes it a versatile gem. Use it for snacks, fill it with potpourri, or let it stand alone as a beautiful decorative piece. Every single bowl is unique, shaped by talented artisans in Thailand as part of a social business initiative that empowers communities. So not only are you adding beauty to your space, but you're also making a difference. This lampshade is like a little piece of sunshine for your home. The MÄVINN Pendant Shade, crafted from hand-braided banana fiber, brings warmth and texture to any room. Its natural variations make each piece truly one of a kind. When the light shines through the tiny holes, it creates the most beautiful patterns on your walls, instantly transforming your space into a cozy, serene haven. Plus, knowing it's made by artisans using sustainable materials makes it even more special. This little device is an absolute game changer. It lets you control almost any appliance or lamp remotely using an app, motion sensor, or remote. Imagine turning your coffee maker on before you get out of bed or making sure your lights are off when you leave the house, all with a tap on your phone. And if you pair it with the Dirigera hub, you unlock even more smart home features. It's efficient, easy to use, and makes your daily life so much smoother. Say hello to effortless living with the TRETAKT Plug and remote control kit. This pre-paired duo lets you transform your everyday appliances into smart ones with just the press of a button. Lamps, coffee makers, you name it. This set makes it easy to turn them on or off remotely. TÄRNKULLEN Upholstered Bed Frame, Tibbleby Beige Chich Gray, Queen. This bed frame is an absolute dream, and I mean that literally. The TÄRNKULLEN bed combines comfort and style with its soft, padded headboard and timeless beige-gray fabric. It's the perfect spot to relax with a book or binge-watch your favorite show. And get this, the cover is removable and machine washable. That means your bed stays looking fresh and clean for years to come. Plus, the sturdy oak legs and subtle herringbone pattern give it such a classy, high-end look. It's easy to assemble, lightweight yet durable, and makes your bedroom feel like a luxurious retreat. What more could you ask for? This cushion cover is pure heart. Seriously, the beige and red stripes are charming, but the hand-embroidered heart? That's the real magic. It's warm, it's inviting, and it's like giving your home a cozy little hug. The red edge stitching? Such a perfect finishing touch. And it's not just beautiful, it's meaningful. This piece is created by the talented women artisans at Rangsutra in India, a social business that's all about creating long-term jobs for women in small towns and villages. Okay, let's talk about this sofa bed because it's amazing. The Lindakra is everything you want in a sleeper sofa. Stylish, functional, and oh so practical. First off, those rounded shapes are so inviting. And the generously sized back cushions, they're like a big comfy hug. But wait, there's more. It's not just a sofa. It's a bed, a storage unit, and even a seating puzzle. You can detach the poof and use it as an extra seat or a coffee table. Want a bed? Easy. Just remove the back cushions and pull the poof into place. Magic. The Tonstad desk is everything your home office, vanity, or hallway was missing. The brushed oak veneer is so elegant, it feels high-end without being flashy. And that narrow design? Perfect for small spaces or those hard-to-decorate spots. The drawer is the ultimate organizer's dream, keeping all your essentials neat and tidy. And, like the rest of the Tonstad line, it has a soft closing function, because even your desk deserves a little luxury. This piece is more than just furniture. It's a statement. Use it solo for a sleek, minimalist look. The Tonstad on casters is smart, stylish, and so easy to use. You can wheel it around wherever you need it. Talk about convenience. The design is clean and minimal, but it's got big storage energy. That spacious lower shelf, perfect for folders, storage boxes, or even something as unexpected as your bike helmet. And the drawer? It's smooth as butter thanks to the soft closing function. Okay, let's talk storage magic. The Updatera box is everything you didn't know you needed in your kitchen or cabinets. It's the perfect solution for keeping your smaller items organized and within easy reach. Sponges, brushes, washing up liquid, you name it. This box keeps it all together and makes your space feel so much cleaner and more orderly. This slider is the storage solution you've been waiting for. When combined with the Updatera box, it turns any drawer or cabinet into an organization dream. No more messy, chaotic storage space. Can you believe how incredible these IKEA products are? Whether it's for organization, decor, or just making life easier, there's something for everyone. Don't forget, all the links are in the description, so go check them out and start creating your dream space today.